Good evening. My contestant ID number is 1282, and today I'm going to be showing you how to measure rotor thickness, brake pad thickness using rotor runout. And at first, I'm going to show you the safest way to lift this 2014 Nissan Altima SL. And I'll show you over here on the computer on Schottky. This diagram right here shows you the 4 safest points of the vehicle on the pinch welds that we already used to lift the vehicle. First, I'll grab these vice grips that have these threads on it to hold the snake for the dial indicator. Right here. And I'm putting the vice grips on a part of the suspension components that does not move so we can get the most accurate reading for the dial indicator. This needs to be a little tighter. Okay, that is not going nowhere. Then I'll grab the snake. Going to tighten this right here onto these threads. Then I'm going to grab a 13/16 and I'm going to tighten it down so the snake does not move. Then I'm going to grab this dial indicator and I'm going to slide it through the head, or the mouth, you should say, of the snake. I'm going to tighten it down right here. Make sure it's zeroed out. That's getting bound up, so let's make sure it's going the right way. Right there. That'll work. And then I'm going to tighten the neck of the snake. Then make sure it is really tight. So it doesn't go anywhere, so we can get the most accurate reading. I'm going to go in the middle of the throw of this dial indicator so it has room to move. I have it there at 60, and I'm going to do one full rotation to find the lowest point of the rotor runout, which will be one thousandths of an inch, or right under 1/1000th of an inch, and then we will zero it out. Going to tighten it down. Then I'm going to do one full rotation to find the highest amount of rotor runout. Which is 1/1000th of an inch. That is the highest point. So it is 1/1000th of an inch. And I will take you over here to the computer to show you on Schottky the vehicle's recommended size for the maximum thickness of the runout. It is 1.6 thousandths of an inch, and we're at 1/1000th of an inch. And this rotor is still good. And I'll take you back over to the vehicle. And I will take off the dial indicator and put it back in its box. Make sure I loosen this when I put it away. So I am putting it away correctly. Then I'm going to show you how to use an electronic micrometer to measure rotor thickness, but here is a manual gauge micrometer that I have here, but I will not use. So I'll use this electronic micrometer, and I'm going to make sure this flat surface of the micrometer is on the back of the rotor, and the rotor thickness is 1.20 thousandths of an inch. 21 thousandths of an inch. And I'll take you back over here to the toolbox, and I will use these gauges to measure brake pad thickness. I'll start with these yellow ones because brakes have been used. Oh, and that one fits the best. Let's just test this green one. Yep, the yellow one fits the best, and it is 6 millimeters for the outside brake pad on the passenger side. Then I'm going to measure the inside brake pad, and it's not this yellow one. Let me try this green one. And it seems to be snug fit, and it seems to fit, so it is 8 millimeters. That's how you measure brake pad thickness. And I use this torque wrench at 20 foot-pounds to torque down these caliper bolts that go on the back to put the caliper back on. And I use this torque wrench right here with a 21 millimeter at 83 foot-pounds. Make sure it's at 80. $80, 83, right there. And I use this to torque down these lug nuts at 83 foot-pounds. To hold our caliper up, I use this hook to protect our hose from getting ripped, our brake land hose from being ripped. But I will put it back on when I'm done. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day.